Hello everyone. As a developer, you have a few options in which you can choose to specialize. Let's look at these options. System developer. System developers are people who build system level things like device drivers. They build embedded systems, operating systems. So they work at the system level. Uh, the second type of developers are application developers. Application developers are basically the type of developers who build business applications. So they could be building an say a retail application or a banking application or any of those type of applications. So they would be like as an application developer you could be a front end developer, a back end developer, or a full stack developer. The next type is techno-functional consultant. Techno-functional consultant is somebody who has a good grip of technology as well as a good hold over the functional aspect of the domain in which they are building the application. So suppose you are building an application for trading and risk management. So a functional consultant would know to code. At the same time, he would understand the domain. He would know how trading happens, how risk management is done. The next type is product enhancement and customization. So these type of developers, they're extending a pre-built system, an application like it could be a CRM, it could be an ERP. For example, Salesforce is there, SAP is there, Microsoft Dynamics is there. So you already have a system, and then you on top of these systems, you build features, you can do customization, or some of these systems are like they are like PaaS, platform as a service. So you could build a totally new system, using these as a base. The next type is AI, ML, data, quant. These are different type of developers, but why I've put them in the same category is because they're all maths or mathematically intensive. So you should be good with maths, stats, and all those things. And then obviously you should know good coding. The next type is QA automation. QA automation is developers who are building scripts and who are automating the whole the QA cycle. So there is manual testing and automated testing. So these developers specialize in automation of the QA process. They use tools like Selenium, and there are a whole variety of toolkits available out there. The last which I wanted to mention is support engineers. Support engineers are like the people who provide you support to the end users of the system. So they are of different categories. Like mostly they are structured as L1, L2, L3, L4 level support. So L4 support is like very close to being a developer, and they would resolve issues at by coding or by debugging. L1 type of support person would be somebody who would just take the details from the end user. He would capture like what are you facing, where is the bug and everything, and then he will pass it on to the development team or L4 support team. So these are the type of developers. Now by natural progression you would grow into one of these streams. So if you start off your you do your bachelor's and then you are like you go for interviews and you get selected somewhere. So you would have a natural cycle where you would start off as a software developer, then become a senior software developer. That natural progression is there. But for you to it's more helpful and faster growth of your career if you pre-decide where you want to go, where you want to specialize in any of these verticals. So if you have pre-selected that I want to be a system developer, and then you specialize in those things which help you as a system developer, your growth would be much faster. So like I've given a few examples over here. So if you decide to become a techno-functional consultant, then better get a MBA degree. This will help you grow much faster because with MBA degree, you would understand how to capture business requirements, how to interact with customers, how to do management, all those things. Another example is if you're thinking of becoming a AI/ML developer, then better go and do a good degree related to mathematics. So that's all for today. I wish you all the best, and hopefully this would help you decide what you want to be, and also with a pre-mediated decision, gather the required skills and then grow aggressively once you enter that particular field. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.